4 of the subjects, which is either civil engineering, mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, or commerce and accountancy as one of your subjects in UPSC, you are at a cutting edge. You might wonder why. The real reason is we have a new exam introduced from 2023, which is IRMS, Indian Railway Management Services. Now, if you are applying for Indian Railway Management Services, then make sure that if you belong to any of these 4 optionals for your UPSC, then definitely you are a right match. The reason being, you would be qualifying the same civil services prelims, which is meant for civil services, Indian Forest Services as well, and then you would have the option for Indian Railway Management Services as well. Now, once you qualify prelims, you would have to choose an optional. Those who want to apply for Indian Railway Management Services must need to apply for one of the 4 optionals which we have mentioned. 3 from engineering, 1 from management side. So that is civil engineering, mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, and from the management it is commerce and accounting, not management as a subject in UPSC. So those are the options that you can have if you want to apply for IRMS, Indian Railway Management Services. We'll be covering more exclusive content, and practice questions for these subjects are available on Doorstep Tutor. Wish you very good luck.